Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin with Snowberry Design Co, and in today's video, I'll be painting this wild rose bouquet. This is the place to be if you want to learn how to paint watercolor flowers. Before we get started, I wanted to tell you about my free supply checklist. I've created a list of all the supplies I recommend for painting watercolor flowers, so definitely check that out if you're interested. You can find it on my website, snowberrydesignco.com, or I'll put the link down in the description box below. I'll try to name the products I'm using as I'm going, but I'll also have a link to my Amazon store in the description box below where I've listed all of the paint colors on my palette and supplies and products I use regularly, so be sure to check that out. To start, I'm using my size 10 round brush to paint my roses. I've used a mixture of alizarin crimson, quinacridone magenta, and a little bit of opera rose to get this color. For this last one, I mixed in some shell pink, and then I used mostly shell pink for the outer parts of this rose. Now, using quinacridone magenta, I'm painting these little daisy-like filler flowers. I've added them throughout my painting to balance everything out. Next, I'm going to start adding in some greenery. I mixed Aurelian yellow and sap green to get this yellow-green color. I'm starting by adding in some leaves and stems next to my filler flowers before I tackle any more leaves. For this darker green, I've added in some undersea green and Payne's gray. To paint these little filler greens, I'm basically just tapping my brush onto the paper to create the little buds along the stems. Now I'm just painting in some larger leaves to help fill in some of this white space. I'm also adding in some more of these sprigs to help fill in the white spaces and then to help everything round out a little bit. I'm adding a bit more to this bottom leaf because it just needed to be bigger to help ground all that I have going on. Next, I'm going to add in some details by darkening the centers of my roses and adding some vein lines to my leaves. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love roses, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you know someone who loves roses, please share this video with them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to sign up for your free supply checklist over on my website. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!